Students, this is Colin and Francis, your stats TAs, here to show you a quick tutorial on collaborating using some of the tools that are available to you as a student at the University of Cincinnati. Specifically, we're going to be using Microsoft Word Online and OneDrive. So starting from our lab homepage, I'm going to click into Lab Modules, and then this Introduction to Surveys unit, which will be available to you. I'm going to scroll down past the very useful and informative lecture material to the actual assignment. And then I'm going to move that assignment from my Downloads folder into my OneDrive folder at the University of Cincinnati. And if you have any questions about setting up that OneDrive, there should be instructions showing you how to do so in the Lab Basics folder. Now, once that's been uploaded to my OneDrive, I can sign in online through Office 365, which is also available to all UC students. And this should take me to the normal UC prompt login. And once I've signed in, I can go to Microsoft Word. And then under my recent uploads, here's my lab worksheet survey. So when you click this, it shows you a preview of the document. Then you'd be able to share this with any of your other classmates, either by typing in their 6+2 address directly, right? So, and that should show you who you can share it with, or by selecting a link and then sending that through whatever medium you choose. So I've already shared this with Francis, and he's logged into the document. So when I choose to edit it and edit in the browser, and I open it up, it should show that he is signed in. It's listing him as a guest contributor right now. And then basically, if he types anything, I'll be able to see it simultaneously. And the same if I make any changes or edits to the document. So we're going to go through the first two of these questions. And this is just one way in which you can collaborate on your document. So Francis, do you have any ideas for the topic of our lab survey?
Yeah, so you were talking earlier about the idea of skateboards and bikes being allowed on campus.
Yeah, I think campus transportation could be an interesting thing to ask students about. So let's go ahead and list that as our topic. And I have an idea for the first question, and it's going to be, do you believe skateboards should be allowed on campus? What do you think of that?
So I like the idea, but I think that we need to fix the wording on this question.
Okay, what's wrong with it?
So in Likert scale surveys, the items need to be listed in statement format, so they can be a belief that a participant of the survey can either agree with or disagree with according to the Likert scale.
Okay, do you think you could show me what that looks like?
Sure. So instead of saying asking the question of whether we believe skateboards should be allowed on campus, we could rewrite this in the form of a statement, I believe that skateboards should be allowed on campus.
Oh, I see. That way someone will be able to rate whether or not they agree, disagree, or strongly agree, or are neutral on the statement, something like that, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, I think we have our first constructed survey item. Thanks for helping out.